Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start an account. Live. Calm and sign in with the Microsoft account tied to Xbox. Enter your email and password, then complete 2FA if prompted. This prevents lockouts. Once done, make sure the browser's date/time matches your device and clear cache to avoid stale session errors. If you don't remember the password, choose Forgot Password and follow the verification flow. That resets credentials and restores access to Xbox services without changing gamer tag or progress. You next inspect security recent activity to detect unfamiliar sign-ins, flag any unrecognized entries to lock the account. Once identified, change your password to a strong, unique one and update recovery details, phone and alternate email, so you can regain access quickly. Then review devices and app permissions to remove obsolete entries or revoke sessions. Doing this stops unauthorized access and forces reauthentication on consoles and apps, which often resolves sync and Xbox Live connectivity. You finish by signing out of account. Live. Calm everywhere and then sign back into your Xbox console. This refreshes tokens and often fixes profile/achievement syncs. If problems persist, test sign-in using a private browser or another network to rule out cache or ISP issues. Make sure Xbox Live service is healthy. If nothing works, collect the account activity ID from recent activity and contact Microsoft support. Provide that ID and error details so they can trace and restore your Xbox account access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.